a family member said to me yesterday, and I won't disclose names, but I was also they're coming into town visiting, and we were just catching up, and I'm saying, oh, you know, how's, you know, so-and-so, Lisa, how's she doing? They're like, oh yeah, Lisa's fine. Lisa's getting married. And I'm like, oh, cool. And I was like, you know, is Lisa's fiance a musician also? Because Lisa's a musician. And family member was like, oh, no. Lisa's fiance has a real job, not a musician. And I'm like, they said it twice. And I'm like, okay. So it got me down for a bit. But I was like, that's ridiculous. That's their opinion, fine, so be it. But I want this just to go out to all those who are creatives, and not, well, I think we're all creative in our own way, but to listen to your heart and to not let anyone tell you what you can and cannot do or put value on what you're doing. Do it. This next one is called Sea Wave.
you.